Do you know how to say father or dad in Kirundi? If not, this video is for you. Today's Kirundi word of the day is data. Data. The meaning of the word data is father or dad. Repeat after me. Data. Father or dad. The pronunciation of the word data is pretty straightforward. It can be pronounced as data. Data. Repeat after me. Data. Here's an example on how to use the word data in a sentence. Data wanje ari muhira. Data wanje ari muhira. Which means my father is at home. Data wanje ari muhira. My father is at home. Here's a usage tip on using the word data. Data is casual, but for formal, you can use dawe. Dawe. And here's a fun fact about this word. Many Burundians will often switch between formal and casual depending on respect. Comment the word data if you got it. And if you haven't, please refer back to the pronunciation section of this video and try again to practice. Data. Say it slowly. Data. The previous word that we learned was mbabarira. Click this video to learn what mbabarira means and how to pronounce it correctly. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back tomorrow for another lesson.